Hello, champ. Congratulations on clearing the NOS Level 1 exam. Welcome to India's most awaited and award-winning Olympiad finale, the NOF Champions League. We've prepared 4 sample papers, 40 questions each, with free video solutions to help you perform your best. Watch carefully, take notes, practice, and excel. Here is your math sample paper with solutions.
Hello kids, today we are going to solve sample paper 1 of class 2nd. So let's begin. Our first question is, if you add an odd number and an even number, the result will be? So when we add odd number, for example, if we are taking 3 and an even number if we are taking 4, so our answer will be 4, 5, 6, 7. That means odd number added to even number, always answer comes in odd number only. So our answer B option is correct for question number A. First. Second, write 1005 in expanded form. So in expanded form, it will be 1000, that is the first place value, and this is 5, it is in the units place, so it will be 5, and here the option B is correct for question number 2. For third question, what is the sum of first 5 odd numbers? Now odd number is which is cannot be divided into half. So odd numbers are like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and so on. So here we have to take first 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the sum of all these odd numbers come to be 25. Now where is this option? Option D. So third question, option D, 25 is the correct answer. Next question, Ravi has 245 marbles. He gives 125 marbles to his friend. How many marbles does Ravi have now? So now we have to calculate how much he is left with. So we will subtract 125 from 245. So answer is 120, and our option B is correct for fourth question. Next is, which of these sets have all even numbers? Now all even numbers which can be divided equally. So the first one is like 2, 4, 6, 8. All 4 of them can be divided. So option A is the correct answer for question number 5th. Sixth one, if a book has 24 pages and you read 3 pages every day, how many days will it take to read the entire book? Now there are 24 pages in a book and you read 3 pages daily. So how will you calculate how much days it will take? So you have to divide it by 3. And 24 divided by 3, answer is 8. So option C is the correct answer for 6th question. Next one, you have 5 baskets. Each basket has 6 apples. How many apples do you have in total? So 5 baskets we have and each basket has 6 apples. So we have to multiply 5 into 6 and answer is 6 5s are 30. So we will have 30 apples in total because we have to count the total. So B option of 30 is correct for the question number 7. What is the result if you add 15, subtract 7 and then add 12 to the number 10? So we have to add 15 to 10, that will be 25. Then we have to subtract 7 from this number, that will be 18. And then we have to add 12 to it. So it will be, what it will be? 30. So our answer 30 is on option A. So our option A, 30 is correct for question number 8. Next, if you have 3 boxes of pencil and each box has 8 pencils, how many pencils do you have altogether? Again, you have to total it. So 3 boxes of pencil multiplied by each box having 8 pencils, that will be 24. And so our answer B, option B, 24 is correct for question number 9. Let's move to the question number 10. Sarah bought 9 balloons, but 4 flew away. How many shares left with? See, we have to calculate what is the remaining one. So 9 minus 4 is equals to 5. So where is the option 5? Here it is, B. So B is correct for question number 10. Now 11th is which fraction represents the shaded part? Now shaded part 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have to see where we have numerator as 5. So among all this 4, 5 is over here. And total is 6, 7 and 8. So 5 by 8 is the correct answer. So B option is correct. Next, refer to the image and identify the option that correctly represents the fraction. Now we have 4 options, 2 by 5, 4 by 4, 3 by 5 and 1 by 7. So first of all, there are 5 ones like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And 2 are colored like shaded. So 1 and 2. So this is correct for this one. Let's check another also. 4. Where are the 4 blocks? Here it is 4 only. 1, 2, 3 and 4. But they have said all 4 shaded. So this is wrong. 3 by 5. Now here it is. Let's say where's 3 covered? Here nowhere. No 3. And 1 by 7. No 7 blocks are there. So first A is correct. And therefore option A for 12th question is the correct answer. Replace the question mark with the equivalent proper fraction. Now, equivalent proper fraction. So, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 and 2 shaded. So, this is 2 by 6. Now, we have to see here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is shaded and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 4 by 12. Now 4 by 12, see where it is? 20, question number 13, 4 by 12 is on option C. So our answer C is correct for question number 13. Next, we'll move on 14th one. Which of the following fractions is smallest? Now see how to see where which one is the smallest. So for that we can take an example like 3 first one 3 upon 4. So we can imagine like 3 out of 4 slices, 3 out of 4 slices, almost the whole pizza is covered, isn't it? Only 1 block is remaining. Now next is 5 out of 8. So let's we have 8 slices and then we have to see 5 1. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have taken how many? 5 slices. So it's like little more than half, isn't it? 2 by 3 is 2 out of 3 slices. So if we have 2 out of 3 slices, 1, 2, 3, and we have taken 2. So it is also like more than half or less than 3/4 we have taken. And 7 by 10, it's 7 out of 10 slices of pizza. So almost 3/4 we have taken. So we can choose B, that is 5 upon 8 is the smallest fraction over here because it is less than half. Okay. Okay, next 15th one. The clock shows 6 hours and 45 minutes. How many minutes are left until it is 7? So now we have already 6 hours and 45 minutes. Now we know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Now how many minutes we require more for 7 o'clock? So if we add this to this, we will get like 4, 10, 4, 5, 6, 60 minutes. Okay, so we require 15 minutes more for completing it on to the 7. That's why option B is the correct answer. Okay, B is the correct answer. Next one. Which of the following is the shortest? Now, which of the following is shortest? For this, we need to know how much is that, like what is the measurement. So like 1 kilometer is equals to 1,000 meter. Okay. This 1 meter is equals to 1 meter only. Then 1 dm, 1 centimeter is equals to 0.01 meter and 1 dm is equals to 0.1 meter. We have to do everything, unit has to be 1 meter so that we can compare it. So after this comparison we can say that 1 centimeter is the shortest one. 1 centimeter is the shortest one. That means option C is the correct answer, because we'll go how? See, 0.01 meter is less than 0.1 meter, then again less than 1 meter, and then 1000 meter. So here this 0.01 meter is 1 centimeter. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. Next, if a pencil is 15 centimeter long and ruler is 30 centimeter long, then how much longer is ruler than pencil? Means we have to find the difference between the both. So 30 minus 15, we get 15 as our answer, and therefore option B is the correct answer. Okay. Question number 18. Which of these is the correct way to measure the length of desk? Desk we have to measure. Thermometer is used to measure temperature. Weighing machine is used to weight the weight, kilos and all that. Ruler is used to measure centimeter, meter, and jug is not used for measuring anything. So that's why option which one? B is the correct one for the question number 18, using a ruler. Next, question number 19. If a ribbon is 2 meter long, how many centimeters long it is? So if it is 2 meter long, so 2 meter is equals to, first of all, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So 2 meter is equals to 200 centimeter, isn't it? So 200 centimeter, where is it? Option number B. Option number B is 200 centimeters. So we have the correct answer B. Next, if a watermelon weighs 3 kg and a pineapple weighs 1 kilogram, how much more does watermelon weigh? Now, both of the units have kilograms, so we don't have to change it, convert it. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So how much more does watermelon weigh? So it weighs 2 kg, isn't it? So option number B is the correct option. Next, a bakery opens at 9 a.m. and closes at 6:30 p.m. How many hours and minutes is the bakery open each day? So now you can count it like start with the 9 a.m., 9 to 10, 11, 12. I will just write here 9 to 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And then half minute, 30 minutes. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 9.30 minutes, means 9 hours and 30 minutes. So let's see where it is. It is option A, 9 hours and 30 minutes. Okay. Now, 22nd question. A toy cost rupees 150 and a game cost rupees 250. Okay. Toy 150 and game 250. Now, how much money will you spend if you buy two toys and one game? So you need two toys. So that will be multiplied by 2. That is 300, and one only game. So it will be 250. So what will be the total? 550. So you will spend 550 rupees. That is option C is the correct one for 22nd question. Now 23rd one. If you have 200 rupees and spend rupees 85 on a book and rupees 45 on stationery, how much money is left? So see, you have to find the left one, but you have two numbers like a book and stationery you have spent on. So first you will add both of them. So that is how much? 10 and 13. 8 and 4, 12 plus 1, 13. So 130. Now you will subtract this 130 from the total amount. That will be 70. Okay. So now where is 70? Option B. Option B, rupees 70 for question number 23rd is the correct answer. Okay. Now 24th question. Each packet of biscuit costs rupees 12. How much will you pay for 8 packets? Now, each packet costs 12 and you have 8 packets. So, what you will do? You will multiply 12 by 8 and you will get the answer as 12 eights are 96. So, 96 is the D option, and therefore 24th D option is the correct one. Next, 25th, what time is shown on the clock? So what time it is? Hour hand is on 10 and minute hand is on 2. So 5 and 10. So it's like 10 minutes, 10 hours and 10 minutes. So 10, 10. Where it is? Option number B. Option B is the correct answer for 25th question. Now, how many vertices that does a pentagon have? Now, vertices, what does vertices means? That corners of shape where two or more edges meet. That means vertices. Now, pentagon has 5 vertices. Okay. So you have to mark where is 5, 26th answer. A, option A is the correct answer because pentagon has 5 sides. Okay. Now we'll move on 27th one. 27th is if the perimeter of a square is 16 centimeters, what is the length of one side? Now the perimeter formula, like perimeter of square is equals to 4 into sides. Okay. Now you have 16 as your perimeter and 4 into sides you don't know. So what you will do? 16 divided by 4, that is 4. So one side is equals to 4 centimeter. Option A is the correct one for 27th answer. Next, which unit would you use to measure the length of pencil? Now, length of pencil, what you will use? You cannot use this milliliter, kilometer, liter. This is all for liquid and all that stuff. So, centimeter is the correct answer, and hence A option is correct for 28th question. Next, 29th one. If you fold a square piece of paper diagonally, what shape do you get? So suppose if this is square, if you fold it diagonally like this, it will be folded upside touching this. So the shape which we get is a triangle. So what is our answer? Triangle. Option B is the correct answer for 29th question. Next, name what is the name of polygon with 8 sides? So, what is the 8 side polygon called? Octagon. Octagon is the shape polygon which has 8 sides. So, option C is the correct answer for 30th question. Okay. Next one. In a pattern below, what is the next pair of numbers? See here. Now, first one is 1, 2. Next is 2 and we have skipped 1. 2 twos are 4. Then it is 3. 3 twos are 6. It is multiple of 2. Now 4. 4 twos are 8. The first number is in sequence like 1, 2, 3, 4. So next will be 5. And it is like 4 twos are 8. So it will be 5 twos are 10 because we are taking 2. Multiple of 2. So 5 and 10. Where is it? A. So 31st answer is A. 32. Pattern 2, 4, 8, 16. Now again, what it is? 2, 4, 8, 16. So what will be our next? 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 16 twos are 32. So answer option D is the correct answer for 32 question. Next, 33. See here. 10x 8y 6x 4y. So first of all it is xy xy. So again we will have, since it is y over here, we will have x at the last. Okay, and now it is like divided by 2. 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. So we'll get over here 2x. Now where's 2x? A. Option A is correct for 33rd question. Okay, 34th. L is missing over here. MN, so we'll miss O over here and then we will write, what we'll write? P. So P is option A and so it is the correct answer for 34th question. 35th, complete the pattern. Now see, first we have only 2 lines, then we got one more line, then we got one more line. Now what will we do? We will get one more line over here. Now where it is, we are just doing it in sequence, pattern following. So in this answer figures, this one is wrong, this one is also not the appropriate one, even this is not the appropriate one. So this is the option which is matching to our answer. That's why answer 4, like 4 is the correct answer and that is on option A. So 35th question, we have option A as our correct answer. Now, pictograph below shows the number of apples 5 children picked in the garden. Each apple picture represents 2 apples. How many apples did Rohan pick? Rohan pick in the total. Now, we have to see how many apples does the Rohan has picked. So, where's the Rohan over here? Here. Okay. Now, Rohan, how many apples? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So how many apples does he has taken? 8 apples. And each apple represents 2. So now 8 into 2, that is 16. So what will be our answer? Answer C is the correct answer for 36th question. 16 apples he has picked. Okay. Now next pictograph. Pictograph below shows the number of pencils each child has. Each pencil picture represents 3 pencils. Who has the most pencils and how many pencils do they have? Now we have to see which person has more pencils. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 over here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over here. 1 and 2. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So see, among all of them, this person has 6 pencils. Who is this? Shyam. And how many each pencil represents? 3 pencils. So 6 into 3, so it is 18 pencils, isn't it? So option C, Shyam with 18 pencils is the correct answer for 37th question. Next question. 38th one, the pictograph below shows the number of books read by students in a month. Each book icon represents 4 books. How many more books did Joy read than Raj? Now where is Joy? Joy is here and Raj over here. So we have to compare the number of books between the both. Okay. Now he has read 3 books and he has read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6. And each book represents 4. Each book icon represents 4 books. So here it is 4 and here it is 4 also. So 4 threes are 12 and 6 and 6, 12, 6 threes 18, 6 fours are 24. So now 24, we have to find the difference between the both. So 24 minus 12, so it is 12. And so how many books? Where is the answer 12? Option A. Option A is the correct one for 38th question, like 12 books is the difference between both of them. Next question. 39. The pictograph below shows the number of balloons each child got at a fair. Each balloon represents 1 balloon. If each balloon costs 2 rupees, how much did Sohan spend on the balloons? Now Soham, where is he? Here it is. He is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many? 7 balloons. And each of them we have to find out rupees how much he has spent. So each balloon is of 2 rupees. So 7 twos are 14. So 14, where is it? 14 on option number B is the correct answer for 39th question. Last question. The pictograph below shows the number of cups of juice sold at a stall over 4 days. Each cup icon represents 5 cups. Okay. So on which day were the fewest cups sold? So we have to see which one is the day when you have sold only few cups. So like here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Here it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is on Wednesday and 1, 2, 3 is on Thursday. So from here only we can clearly see that on Thursday only very few cups has been sold. So where's Thursday? On option number D. So 40th question, D is the correct answer. Okay. Bye bye. See you.